So let's move to our models. So let's start with user models. We need here inside field label array to add fields that we have added, which are stripe ID, and also we have number of QR codes. Okay. So next, what we have? So we have the relationships. So the first one is with the QR codes. So each user will have one or many QR codes. So you have here the QR codes. So let's return. This has many, and we have QR code and class. So next, what we have another relationship between the user and subscriptions. Subscriptions, QR codes, so subscriptions, and the user has one or many subscription. Okay, so let's save. So let's move to the next. So the next, what we have? So we have. So let's start with the plan, and then we move to the other models. So for the plan, we have first field label array. So this array contains the fields. So we have name, we have number of QR codes, and we have also price, and we have also price ID. Okay, we have named number of QR codes, price, and price ID. Next, we have subscriptions relationship. So each plan will have one or many subscriptions. So subscriptions, and we return this has many subscription. So let's copy from here and move to the next. So the next is the QR code. So here we have also the field label array, and field label array contains the fields. So we have the content. So what else we have? We have the QR code path, and we have also the user ID. Okay, so let's remove this, and that's also we have only 3 fields, and we have the relationship between the QR code and the user, and each QR code belongs to a user. So save. So what else we have? We have the subscription. So let's copy from here and move to the subscription. So here what we have? So we have many fields here. So we have the first one, which is, or let's do something. Let's bring it from subscriptions table. So we have Stripe subscription ID. So you can add it here. Let's do something. Let's organize it. So move down, and I think now it's good. So let's move to Stripe status. And what else we have? So we have Stripe plan ID. And what else we have here? So we have the current period starts, which means subscription starting date and subscription ending dates. And what else we have here? So we have the user ID and the plan ID, which is this one. So let's copy and paste, not here, but let's add manually plan ID. So what fields we have here? So you have Stripe subscription ID, we have Stripe status, Stripe plan ID, current period start and current period end and user ID and plan ID. Okay. So we have also the relationships. So each subscription belongs to a plan, and the same thing. So let's copy and paste. So we can change it again to user, and here user. So each subscription belongs to each subscription belongs to a user, and also each subscription belongs to a plan. Okay, so let's save and move to the next. I think that's all. So we have added everything inside our models. Okay, so now let's move to our controller. So let's create the first controller, which is the QR code controller. Let's create it. So let's clean terminal. So PHP artisan make controller, and let's add so let's name it QR code controller, and we can use let's use it, or let's make it a resource, and we can link it to the model that we have already created, which is the QR code. So hit enter, and we are done. Let's move to our controller. So here is our controller, and here is our functions. So here we have create, edit, update, store, and delete functions, and we will add other functions. So these functions, what we'll do, or only, okay, so we will add two functions, one for storing or for saving QR code. So we need to generate QR code as we have seen in the demo, and save it. Okay, and once saved, so we can use it. And also we have another function. This one will remove the QR code from our folder inside storage. So once the user updates QR code, so we will remove the old one. So no need to keep the old one, since the user has removed it. Okay, so let's start first with these functions, and later we will move to create and remove of the QR code, because we will need the package to do that. Okay, so let's first start with these functions.